Transmission of sound. A sound wave enters the external acoustic meatus and strikes the tympanic membrane, moving it medially. As the handle of the malleus is attached to this membrane, it also moves medially. This moves the head of the malleus laterally. Because the heads of the malleus and incus articulate with each other, the head of the incus is also moved laterally. This pushes the long process of the incus medially. The long process articulates with the stapes, so its movement causes the stapes to move medially. In turn, because the base of the stapes is attached to the oval window is also moved medially. This action completes the transfer of a large amplitude, low force, airborne wave that vibrates the tympanic membrane into a small amplitude, high force vibration of the oval window, which generates a wave in the fluid-filled scala vestibuli of the cochlea. The wave established in the perilymph of the scala vestibuli moves through the cochlea and causes an outward bulging of the secondary tympanic membrane covering the round window at the lower end of the scala tympani. This causes the basilar membrane to vibrate, which in turn leads to stimulation of receptor cells in the spiral organ. The receptor cells send impulses back to the brain through the cochlear part of the vestibular cochlear nerve, where they are interpreted as sound. If the sounds are too loud, causing excessive movement of the tympanic membrane, contraction of the tensor tympani muscle attached to the malleus, and/or the stapedius muscle attached to the stapes, dampens the vibrations of the ossicles and decreases the force of the vibrations reaching the oval window.